Hey dudes, welcome to Dude X YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Windows 11 performance, advantages and disadvantages. To start with, Windows 11 got many features that Windows 10 didn't have like snap layouts, better multitasking, better UI and better Microsoft Store. And new features like Connect, widgets and game for gamers, Windows 11 gave us Auto HDR and direct storage. Snap layouts is very useful when you have a small monitor or while you are doing multitasking. It helps you at 4 apps at once and you can arrange them the way you want them to. In Windows 10, we can choose a new desktop for multitasking. We get the same wallpaper and we can't change the name of the new desktop. But in Windows 11, we can change the name and the wallpaper of the new desktop. That's where multitasking is very easy. When we go to the UI of Windows 11, we can see rounded corners in every applications and start menu has been changed a lot. And start is now the middle of taskbar and Windows File Explorer has changed a lot too. And there is animation when you click a app in taskbar. MS Store has changed a lot too. First, MS Store didn't have many useful apps. Now Microsoft Store has many applications and Android apps and also Epic Game Store is now available in Microsoft Store. New features like Connect is very helpful for users who use Microsoft Teams and widget bar is very useful too. And for gamers, Windows 11 has given us very useful things like direct storage and auto HDR. With direct storage, your games will load faster and you will experience more FPS. I have tried it myself and with direct storage, my games have loaded 1 to 2 minutes faster and I experienced little bit more FPS. But my GPU is an entry level NVIDIA GPU, so I can't get the full potential of direct storage. But those who have NVIDIA GPUs like RTX will be able to get full power of the direct storage.
Games can look better than ever on Windows 11 thanks to Auto HDR, which automatically updates your game's lighting and color to high dynamic range. We introduced this tech in our Xbox consoles and got an incredible response from creators and players. It's just awesome to bring this to Windows 11. The results can be dramatic. Just check out this side-by-side comparison of Skyrim from our own Bethesda game studios. On the left, you can see the game running in SDR, and on the right in Auto HDR. The colors and lighting are much more vibrant and lifelike with HDR, elevating the visual fidelity. The difference is stunning. Over 1,000 games, including Age of Empires Definitive Edition, Rocket League, DayZ, and even Doom 64 will be automatically enhanced on Windows 11 devices that support HDR. And all of this with no effort required from the player or the developer. It just works.